Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product remaining stock in new column in admin order list in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So this is our column name. Now you see product stock, so you can add column name according to your requirement. So by using this code we are going to display product remaining stock. So scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to order list and refresh the page. And then you see new column added, product stock, and then you see product, and then you see number 40. So remaining stock for this product. Now open this product. So edit product open and scroll down, go to inventory, so click on it and then you see 40. Back to admin order list and then you see product remaining stock in brackets. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.